Hi class, I'm Jiao. These are my team members.
I'm Jackson.
I'm JD's.
Melvin.
So for today, our hypothesis is that when we change the substance inside the bottle, the reading will be affected. So let's try this out. So as you can see, as I put this bottle into this container filled with stones mid, the reading will be 560 grams.
So when we change the substance in the bottle, as you can see here, this water, the reading will be affected. So now I'm putting the bottle into the container filled with water. So you can see here, the reading is the same.
So initially we test by changing the substance inside the bottle and we assume that the weight will change, but then it doesn't. So the theory is wrong.
Wrong.
Wrong. So for our second hypothesis is that when we change the weight of the bottle, the reading will be affected. So let's try this out.
The water weight inside the bottle will affect the weight. You can see I put half, and then I'll just try to take out some weight from the bottle. And then I try again with half filled water inside this bottle. Yeah, the weight.
So our conclusion, right, is the amount of water, right, that is the factor that caused in the change in reading. And so in that, right, our assumption, right, is that the water weight, right, inside the water bottle plays a part in the change of mass. So with that, our assumption is correct.
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 Correct.